So when you're looking at choosing PT for marketing your products, you might not want hands-on proof so much as you want a different kind of proof point or a different set of perspectives. Two things that you can have us do there: talking to your clients, doing case studies, interviewing them, bringing our technical knowledge and our marketing skills to bear. Or you might actually just want a market analysis, a perspective on the product in the greater industry. The good news is that PT has worked across a ton of different verticals in many different aspects of our business. And so we can bring the language and the relevant concerns of that space. When it comes to things like case studies, there's a reasonable question that you might ask. Hey, PT, can you go and find 20 people who use my product, interview them for me, do the case studies, do the work? And as much as we'd love to say yes, our ethics are such that we always try to disclose what we think we can do well and what we don't do as well. And one of the things we don't do is we do not maintain a large database of active buyers. So we would have to answer that question, no. We would need you to provide us with the names of the clients who use your product. Would PT talk about our product in a market context without testing it? Yes, within limits. Just as we do comparisons with publicly available research, we are willing to talk about the market context in which a product operates as an informed opinion piece of PT, but we would label it as that. The key here is each of our offerings comes with its context of what we've done so that buyers know exactly what to expect, exactly what they can trust, and exactly what they should be able to do with that information. Full disclosure, not only of what we've done, but how we did it, is vital to trust.